Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I think you guys know by now that I am obsessed with my Projo. You might have recently seen I did my Q3 plan with me where I set up my third P-book of 2019. And yeah, I love the system. I've been using it since sort of the end of last year because I was able to actually beta test and all of that, but I really think it has been helping me with my productivity, and I love supporting small businesses and people who make products that are just really useful. So I am on here with a little bit of a special video. You guys will have already seen a PROJO Plus unboxing. I will link it up here so you can see the first one. So that was for the Q2 themed PROJO Plus. This is actually the second PROJO Plus, so it is for Q3. Now I have already set up my Q3 P-book. However, I did get my hands on the PROJO Plus for Q3 from Claire of Minimal Plan, and we kind of were chatting and wanted to do something a little bit fun. So today is going to be an unboxing video, but stick around until the end because we have a surprise for you. So let's go ahead, dive right in. You guys will recognize perhaps the lovely black envelope from the last PROJO Plus that I unboxed on here. So it just has the little sticker up here and my name handwritten in because Claire's cool like that. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Oops, oh my gosh, here we go. There we go. So let's just take everything out. There we go. Oops, got one more thing stuck in here. Oopsie daisy. Okay, we've got everything. So move the folder off to the side there. So you will see I've got my little pile of goodies. So let's go ahead and take a look at here. So we're gonna take a look at this first. So this is Adventure Awaits, the PROJO Plus #2. And got my name written in here as well. So Claire has just written a little message, which I'm not gonna read on here, so in case you guys actually get it, you can kind of enjoy the experience yourself, but there is a little quote. "You must go on adventures to find out where you truly belong. Sue Fitzmaurice," which is excellent. I love that quote. So in here, it just explains what is in here. So you have your planning tools and your inspiration, which we are going to look at. And I love this little image over here. It's super cute. So it talks a little bit about the theme for this second one. So for example, so I'm just opening this. I'm gonna take a quick read. So traveling isn't about hitting the road. It's a mindset that you can adopt in your everyday life. It's all about living in the moment and learning to enjoy the hidden gems of your everyday life. Excellent. So it talks about 3 different habits that you can create to change your mindset. So you've got look up and down. So take time to look around, look up to see the lines of a building, the shapes in the clouds, the light at the end of the day. Journal every day, so take 5 minutes at night to write some lines about your day, highlight what you're grateful for, etc. Collect memories, so use a camera to document your day. Instant cameras are perfect for this. If you use your phone, make sure to review your gallery regularly and make a selection. So I didn't read everything on here, but just to give you an idea of what the 3 habits are that she talks about, which I think these are all excellent ideas. And actually, so I do try and look up and down, and I do journal every day. I'm not great about taking pictures. That's one I could definitely work on. Then just her information and all of that. So here's your little booklet explaining what this particular PROJO Plus is about. So we're gonna go into the stuff that's kind of standard. So first off is your PROJO refills, which I love that for this one, because it's in Q3, she's actually not giving you the little sleeve, because that was one of the things that with the last one, I ended up having 2 sleeves for the PROJOs. And so I had to recycle one of them because obviously I can only use one at a given point in time. And now that I'm in the Deluxe, I have this awesome recycled leather cover. So now I can just hold on to my pack. So obviously I will hold on to these because I have already set up my new one, but they'll come in handy. And I'm not gonna open this up just because this is the same thing as what you guys have seen in here. So you've got the P book, which is the structured monthly, or it's the structured quarterly planner with your 3 monthlies and your weeklies, and then your N book, which is just a blank dot grid notebook with an index, so you can do your collections and project planning. So let's move on to the fun stuff. So We've also got your little archive sticker, and I actually, Claire gave me my PROJO Plus when I saw her in Paris recently, and so she actually was unfortunately out of the archive stickers for 2, so I'm just going to fix this to write a little 2 on here, but if you actually order this, it'll have a 2. So let's take a peek at the toolbox first. So I actually love the little cards that she gave in the last one. They were actually up on my foam board in my little like office section of my living room. And so I'm excited to see what these are about. So your toolbox. So here are 3 planning and productivity cards to help you conquer your goals. In this deck of productivity cards, reward yourself, travel light, and the undo list. Excellent. So let's see. And they're numbered. So if you got the first PROJO Plus, you have 1, 2, and 3. So here is 4, 5, or here are 4, 5, and 6. So you've got reward yourself, #motivation. And so on the front is just a little blurb about it. And then on the back is this list of actual like concrete ideas that you can do. So again, I'm not going to read all of these so that if you actually get these cards, you can check them out yourself. But I love that Claire includes sort of what this is, why is it important, like what can you do about it, and then like, okay, bam, action steps, here's what you can do. So our first one is reward yourself. Then we've got travel light, so planning, and we've got our little action steps on the back here, which I love. This is like right up my alley. So the undo list, #time management. So this, oh, I love this last little blurb on here. If you're always starting your day by wasting 30 minutes scrolling down your Instagram feed, the undo list is made for you. I'm getting a little bit better about that, but yes, this is me. So how to create an undo list. So it gives you some concrete action steps, action items to actually do this particular task. So I will be reading this later and definitely trying to implement them. I need to actually probably reread the ones from the first PROJO Plus because, you know, they're great. I look at them, but I need to actually reread them and make sure I'm kind of doing everything that I can be doing. So you get your little toolbox cards, which is fantastic. So let's move these off to the side. And then, oh my gosh, oh, sticker is very sticky, which you know is good. Okay, we're gonna end up maybe ripping this. So here we go. Oops. So Claire includes also these little handmade stickers that are in line with the theme, which is super stinking cute. So I have a feeling these are going to go in my, yes, I love these. So these are actually probably going to go in my Q3 PROJO. Let's see, where can we put them? Oh, I think, you know what? I think what we're gonna do, I love having like this little blank page is just perfect for these stickers. So let's see if I can do this without destroying them. I'm so bad at taking the backs off of sticker flakes. Like, it's a problem, guys. It's a problem. Let's see if I can even do this. Oh my goodness. If you don't have nails of some persuasion, I have no idea how you're going to do this. Sticker flakes in general, like nails help. And we are gonna go ahead and stick him right down there because I love having a little bit of like a writing sticker and then a little image sticker. I'm a fan. Let's see. Oh goodness. There we go. This one actually is a little easier. I got the backup now. It's just, can I grab it? Ah, there we go. No, come on. So let's do there. Mostly centered. Excellent. Oh, those look so cute. And where are we going to put the mountains? I think we're going to do mountains. You know what? I want to put mountains in my new. Okay, so just tangent, y'all. If you saw my Q3 plan with me, you guys will know that I was like, oh, I'm going to keep using this end book because I've got a couple of pages left. And then like 2 days ago, I decided that that wasn't what I was going to do. I wanted to migrate to a new book because I had so many pages that like were just no longer, I didn't need them anymore. So I actually, so there's 61 pages in the book, and I think I had used up to like page like 56 or something like that. I literally had like 4 pages left. So I took all of the open collections that I had and I migrated them into a new book. I actually haven't even done up my index yet. And you guys can see that I have sort of tightened up things, left off the bits that were cross-offs. This Italy research one used to be 2 full spreads, and I realized for all the information I needed, I just needed the 1 spread. I have updated like all my holiday lists, so anything that's already happened, I took that off. Updated various things for the apartment and all that. I actually got curtains, yay. And then I did like these things, for example, this was spread over a ton of different pages because I did them at different times. So I updated them and put like things next to like. So this is now all up to date. The massive font making thing with all of my like notes and stuff, I actually made a photocopy of it and put it in my font making folder so I didn't have to recopy all of that because that just seemed like overkill. But the stuff that I wanted to have in here, I recopied and put on one page. Then this actually used to be like 6 different spreads, and I kind of did it down into one just so that when I'm working on my school prep stuff, I can open up this one page and I've got this all like right front and center. So I actually just used up to page 17. So now I have this whole new end book, and who knows, this might last me through the end. The last one lasted me for 2 full quarters. This one might last me for another 2 quarters. We'll see. So yeah, so I actually have done this one, and I think what we're gonna do is actually put a little sticker at the bottom here, and I will literally just skip these pages. No, that seems silly, Caitlin. Don't do that. We're gonna put it right here. I just really wanna have a sticker in my end book. Anyway, sorry. Getting sidetracked. Oh, come on. There we go. Yay, I got it. So let's see. Okay, so now we're good. Sticker break is over. Let's look at the last thing in the PROJO Plus for this month. So I'm gonna move my little sticker bag. So this is a little handmade travel journal. So it's a little like A6 size, and I love that the stitching for the binding is actually a matching burgundy color, which it might be kind of hard to see. But so this is just a little blank journal that you can use as a travel journal, and you should check out on Claire's Instagram. She actually she used a travel journal. I think it was like, it might have even been last summer. So you'd have to scroll kind of far down on her feed, but she actually did a little handmade journal for, I think it was her trip to like Ecuador or something like that. And you can see how she set it up with like packing lists and journaling and all of that kind of stuff. It was super cute. So this is kind of in the same vein as what she did for hers. And I am super excited to check this out because it's just so pretty. Like, it's so cute. So that is everything that is in the PROJO Plus for the second PROJO Plus, which is the Adventure Awaits. And now for the fun stuff. So you guys know I am obsessed with my PROJO. I've been using it religiously like all of 2019, and I kind of started getting into it at the end of 2018. You guys know that I have been working with Claire as a PROJO ambassador and all of that kind of fun stuff. And so we decided that it was about time to actually do a giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is actually put up pictures of the 3 prizes. I actually don't have the prizes right now because once the giveaway closes, Claire is actually going to be the one to send them to you. So I will be running the giveaway. It's going to be based here on YouTube. So we are going to have 3 prizes. The first one is going to be the PROJO Starter, which is the basic PROJO Starter kit where you've basically got your P-book, your end book, and then the plastic cover. And I'm gonna put a picture in here for you guys to see. The second prize is going to be a deluxe, which is essentially mine. So you have the P-book, end book, and the recycled leather cover, and I'll put a picture up in here. And the third prize is going to be a PROJO Plus. So it will be the PROJO Plus number 2, Adventure Awaits, and that is what I just unboxed for you here, and I'll just throw up a picture right there for you guys. So those are going to be the 3 prizes. So in order to enter for this giveaway, you've got a couple of things that you need to do. So the first one is going to be to follow me here on YouTube and click the little notification bell. The second thing is going to be to follow me on Instagram, and when I go through and check for the prizes, when I've picked the random winner, I'm going to just make sure and check that you guys are following me on here, and if not, I will just go ahead and pick a different winner just to let you guys know how that's going to work. You can also follow Claire, which I mean you should if you love PROJO. You should definitely follow Claire, so Minimal Plan, and I will put her information up here. And don't worry, I'm gonna put everything in the description box along with the dates. So this video is going to be live as of well, in the future. It will be today, July 7th, and we are going to leave the giveaway open for 2 weeks. So you have from July 7th, 2019 until July 21st, 2019 to enter, okay? And once the giveaway is closed, I'm going to pick 3 random winners, and I will randomly, like literally, the first winner will get the starter pack, the second will get the deluxe, and the third will get the PROJO Plus. There isn't really a difference between them. They all give you the basic PROJO system. They're just some of the different products that Claire has available for the people who like to use the PROJO. So I know that there are some of you who maybe have hesitated in getting the PROJO because of shipping costs or what have you. So we wanted to go ahead and have this little giveaway because you guys know how much I love my PROJO and I love sharing this. I think it's a really cool system for people who have projects that they really want to work on actually accomplishing. And so we wanted to do a little something fun for you guys. And that is what I've got for you guys today. I want to wish you all luck on the giveaway, and I will keep the description box updated with once the giveaway is open and closed. Once I have done the drawing, I will do a little post on the community section of YouTube. And so the 3 people that I mentioned will need to email me, and I'll include it's my Sunshine and Stationery Gmail address. You'll need to email me to send me your address so that I can then give that information to Claire so she can send you guys your prizes. So I will keep you guys posted with all of that. And if you already have a PROJO, I hope that you guys have been enjoying using it. And if you've been on the fence about getting the PROJO Plus 2, hopefully this gave you some ideas of like what's inside of it and all of that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. Good luck on the giveaway. I think I probably already said that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so if you've made it all the way to the end of this video and are actually watching my end screen and you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would. There's a little button right there for you to do it. And if you're interested in watching some more of my videos, I have links to 2 of my older videos off to the left there, so you can check those out if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.